Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set your Canva design to landscape mode. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the design you want to resize to landscape mode in Canva. Once your design is loaded and you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the toolbar. You'll see a button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can adjust the dimensions of your canvas to switch from portrait to landscape orientation. After clicking Resize, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing various preset sizes. Look for the option that says Custom Size and select it. This gives you complete control over the exact dimensions you want for your design, which is essential when you need to manually switch the orientation. Now here's the key step to converting your design to landscape mode. You'll need to swap the current width and height values. For example, if your design is currently 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels tall, you'll enter 1920 in the width field. This makes your canvas wider and prepares it for the landscape format. Next, enter the current width value into the height field. Continuing with our example, you type 1080 here. By swapping these two numbers, you're effectively rotating your canvas from vertical to horizontal, creating that landscape orientation you're looking for. Once you've entered both values correctly, click the Copy and Resize button. Canva will create a duplicate of your design with the new landscape dimensions while preserving your original version. This is helpful because it allows you to keep both orientations available in case you need to reference or use the portrait version later. After the resizing process completes, a notification will appear giving you the option to view your new design. Click Open to access your newly created landscape version. This will take you to the editor with your resized canvas ready for adjustments. Now that your design is in landscape mode, you'll likely need to reposition your elements to fit the wider layout. Text boxes, images, and other design elements might not align perfectly after the resize, so take a moment to drag them into their new positions. Adjust spacing and alignment to ensure everything looks balanced in the horizontal format. And that's it, you've successfully converted your Canva design to landscape mode and adjusted your elements to fit the new orientation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.